Good morning from Market Meteo AI. It's Wednesday, August 19th, and Wall Street opens soon. Here's today's market weather. Wall Street reopens under unstable skies. Stocks closed lower yesterday, and overnight the wind didn't change. S&P 500 futures shed 1.1%, Nasdaq futures nearly 2%, with technology lagging. Stirring the air are U.S.-Iran tensions, which are pushing oil higher, and the wait for tonight's Fed minutes. The fear gauge stays neutral at 54. On the dashboard, the air is shifting. The VIX, the fear index, wakes up and rises 7% to 15.7. Nervousness is building, but still in the normal band. The U.S. 10-year yield climbs to 4.68%. It's the break weighing most on growth stocks. Oil runs more than 2% above $84, reviving inflation fears, while gold rises 1% toward 4,425 as a haven. On the S&P 500, we're trading around 7,692, just below the zero gamma watershed at 7,713. The put wall is distant at 7,000, while the main ceiling, the call wall, stays at 8,000. We're in a negative gamma regime. Swings tend to get amplified. The close-up map shows us on the watershed's edge, just below zero gamma, at 7,713. Just below, the near-put wall at 7,600 is the first net. Just above, the call wall at 7,700. The options balance, the GX, is net negative, a backdrop that tends to amplify moves and make the market more nervous. Below the threshold, the C's get choppy. The Market Meteo AI Barometer today reads risk off, with 60% confidence. 3 signals out of 5-point to risk, while a still moderate VIX and neutral sentiment temper the read. Short-term, we stay cautious. The risk is a slide towards 7,600. Medium-term, we stay neutral, with rising yields as a break. On the calendar, the key event is tonight. At 8 p.m. Rome time, the minutes of the Fed's latest meeting arrive, hunting for clues on rates. Tomorrow, Thursday, it's jobless claims and the first August activity gauges. And Friday, the Jackson Hole Symposium opens, with the Fed in the spotlight. In short, 3 things to watch today. Weather zero gamma at 7,713 and the 7,600 put wall hold, oil and yields dragging futures down, and tonight's Fed minutes. That's all for today from Market Meteo AI. If this brief is useful, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss tomorrow's report before the Wall Street bell.